Okay, some more properties of sequences. So this one's kind of a weird one. The sum of the sum from k equals 1 to n of the a sub k's is equal to the sum from k equals 1 to j of the a sub k's plus the sum from k equals j plus 1 to n of the a sub k's, where j is a number between 0 and n. So basically what that says is if you're going along a sequence, you could add up to a certain point and stop, and then take the next term and add that up to the end, and then take the two and add them together, and you get the right answer. Okay, this is one you're going to use a lot. The sum from k equals 1 to n of the k's. So basically what that means is, what's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... plus n? Well, there's a formula for that because nobody wants to add that up, especially, it's not too bad if it's k equals 1 to 4, but if it's k equals 1 to 1,000, nobody wants to add that all up. So this is equal to n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So I can do a problem like this. The sum of k equals 1 to 10 of the k's. I can do that pretty quickly. It's 10 times 11 divided by 2, which is 110 divided by 2, or 55. I can do the same thing for k equals 1 to 1,032 of the k's. Well, I can do it in the same amount of time. That's just going to be 1,032 times 1,033 divided by 2, and I get out my handy-dandy TI-84 plus C Silver Edition graphing calculator, and I find out that that is 533,028. Okay, you can amaze freshmen in the lunchroom with this stuff. So my next problem here is the sum from k equals 1 to n of the k squareds. This is one of the harder formulas to remember. This is basically 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus ... plus k or n squared. And that's going to be n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, so if I wanted the sum from k equals 1 to 30 of the k squareds, that would be 30 times 31 times 61 divided by 6, which would come out to be 9,455. And I'd be done with that one. The sum of the k cubes is pretty easy. It's just this one squared. So this would be 1 plus 2 cubed is 8, plus 3 cubed is 27. Whoops, not 8 cubed. 27 plus ... plus n cubed. That's n times n plus 1 divided by 2, the whole thing squared. Okay, so if I want the sum from k equals 1 to, say, 8 of the k cubes, that's just going to be 8 times 9 divided by 2, quantity squared. So that'd be 72 divided by 2 would be 36. Squared, which everybody knows is 1,296. Okay, so we knocked out 4 examples there pretty quick.